Let's talk dirty today. We wake up in the morning, go to the toilet, flush our toilet, and just thinking our poop just disappear in the center of the earth. Everybody poops, I poop. I'm sure you always poop every day. But not everybody know where the poops end up. In Berlin, for example, humans travel through 9,000 kilometers sewer network, and then at the end, treat it properly and at least 6 wastewater treatment plants. But back in my home, this is not the case. In Indonesia, 95% of human waste not treated properly. Most of them end up either in landfill or the water body. This is heavily polluted the water and causing the health problem. But sadly, this is not only the case in Indonesia. 1/3 of world population face the same problem. Current solution mainly focus on providing access to the toilet, transporting and emptying. Proper treatment still lacking. This is simply because it's highly investment, maintenance, and operational costs. So, low-cost, affordable technology would be the solution. But how? By recovering human to this guy. Highly nutrient fertilizer using low-cost composting technology. By co-composting fecal sludge with organic waste from municipality, we can create biological heat up to 71 degrees Celsius. This is very perfect condition to pathogenize, complete pathogen destruction, leaving only valuable nutrient and organic matter for plants and the soil.